Does your Fire TV remote keeps disconnecting or stay disconnected and you can't use it anymore, or did you just buy a new remote by itself? Here's how to get connected. The first thing to try is to turn it off and back on again. And now in most remotes there is no on and off switch, so you can just take out the batteries and that will restart the remote. You can also try restarting the Fire TV stick by just unplugging it for 10 seconds and then replugging it back in and see if that works. That was the easy method. The other thing you can try is to insert fresh batteries, because what happened to me is I had fully rechargeable batteries and I have them right here, and even if I still insert them, they don't work after a recent firmware update. So some batteries have lost support and are not friendly with the remote. So when you're having problems, have some alkaline batteries spare to check if the remote is actually working, rather than troubleshooting what might not be an issue at all. By the way, I installed the Duracell alkaline batteries. Those are the Ultra ones that I have here. If it still doesn't work, use the Fire TV app on your phone like so. You would need the Fire TV app from Play Store or iTunes App Store, and you can download it free and install it. Once you have it, you can just connect to your Fire TV, enter the 4-digit code shown on the screen, and then you can control the Fire TV with your phone. Now you can follow along the process further. First up, you can reset the remote to factory defaults. To do that, on most Fire TV remotes, you just hold the back button, the menu button, and the left navigation key. Hold it for 10 seconds and it should disconnect and reset. Now, to repair the controller, you would need to use your phone to go to settings, then remotes, then click on add new remote even though it shows your old remote. And then on your remote, press and hold the home button for 10 seconds and it will get back up again and reconnect. Sometimes resetting the remote kind of puts it in a weird situation where it doesn't work at all. So after resetting it to factory defaults, you might want to remove batteries for 5 to 10 seconds completely and then insert them back again and try the whole procedure if it doesn't work the first time. Last resort, factory reset the Fire TV stick. You can do that by going into settings, then My Fire TV, and reset to factory defaults. Once you select that, it will reset it. You'll have to re-log into your Amazon account, and then you can reset up your remote control by going into the settings and then remotes, and then Fire TV remote, and add new. And that will get it back up and running when you hold the home button for 5 to 10 seconds. If you've tried all this and it still doesn't work, you can contact Amazon if your Fire TV stick is still under warranty, and you can get a replacement remote control that way. If it's out of warranty, fear not, Amazon actually does offer a repair service in some regions for the remote, so you might get a contact number from them where you can reach out and get your remote repaired, because buying a new one is definitely not an option because it's just too expensive. You can just buy another Fire TV stick almost for that price. Anyway guys, smash that like button if this video helps you. Consider subscribing and dinging the notification bell if you like more content like this. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.